Sport performance is a team effort.
When coaches know how to support the mental game, when parents know how to encourage without pressure, when teams build trust, that is when you get the best out of everyone.
As former athletes and now psychotherapists, we want to help athletes train their minds with the same commitment that they train their bodies. That's why we built the Lukin Center Sport Performance Program.
I'm Jessica Colucci.
I'm Neer.
We are the co-directors of the Sports Performance Program. Through team workshops or one-on-one sessions, we will help athletes and teams develop skills like confidence, focus, and visualization.
We will help them learn to bounce back from mistakes,
manage nerves, and think clearly under pressure.
What separates us is that we don't just work with the athletes.
If you're a parent and you've seen your son or daughter struggling with a loss, this program will help provide you with the tools to help them perform at their best.
If you're a coach and you want to help your team get a growth mindset to get the best out of them, through this program we'll create workshops to help get you there.
If you're an athletic director, you see the immense pressure on your staff to build a winning culture. This program will help you foster an environment where your staff's mental health is supported and you start to lay the foundation for long-term success.
At the Lukin Center Sports Performance Program, we help support athletes and their support systems work at their best.
Book an appointment today to see how you can train your mind and elevate your game.